In today's video, we are going to be doing unboxing. Yes, we are in the season of unboxing. Welcome back to my channel. Compliment of the season to every one of you, the only lovers of good things, the lovers family. Thank you all. In today's video, we are going to be doing unboxing. Yes, we are in the season of unboxing. Yes, so guys, before we go right into this video, if you are new to my channel, my name is Ladyzionsweethome, and for my new and old subscribers, thank you all for all the support. Thank you for always tuning in. Thank you, you that share my video. Thank you that like my video. I really want to say a big thank you for all the support. I want to say a very big thank you. And if you have been watching us, you have not yet subscribed, oh my goodness, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, that red button beside you, click it and make sure you put on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my video. Continue to do what you can do. Continue to spread the love. We are already in the season of love. Just 1 month. December is so special. Share the love. Give what you can give. Give what you have. Yes. Do your best and leave the rest for God. And don't forget to always stay safe. So without taking much time, without talking too much, you guys know for some time I have been complaining about blender. So now I have actually got one. I hope for this one to be perfect for me because I have not been eating moi since my blender spoiled. Oh my god, I have been managing my smoothie blender to blend so many things. If I want to cook, if there are some things I want to do, I just manage my smoothie blender to do those things. But now I got one for myself. From the question I asked before buying it, they told me this one is very good, is very strong, and I hope so myself because I don't want to be buying blender every day. I'm tired of buying blender. Oh my god. The last one I bought, you cannot believe, I bought blender a week. I only used that blender for just 1 week. What did I blend it with? You cannot imagine. Just onions, and the blender just got spoiled, and I bought it so expensive. I believe I have showed you guys that blender when I was doing there was a video I did when I show you guys the blender. So I decided to stay with that blender because I can't be throwing off money for what is not good. Like, I have been buying a lot of blender but no one is good. Please ignore the background noise, my kids are here playing. So guys, let's jump into this video. Without taking much time, I'm going to be showing you what I got. Although with the thumbnail you have seen it, you have to see what is inside the carton. Even me, I don't even know what is inside the carton. Let's open this together and stay tuned to this video. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go and subscribe, and you will never regret it. So let's jump into this video. Oh my god, this is our blender. Oh my god, I have been missing blender. Oh my goodness, I've been missing blender. Just cooking without no blender, I don't know what to say about it. It's not too good. It's not too good at all. Cooking or in the kitchen without no blender is not just too good. Like, blender is very important in kitchen. So you can see this. This is so big. The sweetest part of it is that there was on sales. Yes, there was on sales. And there was on sales, and this thing was so cost before, but because they were doing sales, it was more cheaper. Like, it became cheap and is very good for the price. If you need yours, go to Uneero to get your blender. Yes, they are on sale, don't miss this. So I'll open it and we are going to see what is inside this carton. Stay tuned and enjoy the unboxing. So I'm going to take the camera down. I have my small knife. How many of us want to read this manual? Oh my god, this one picture and I know this one. I beg, we go enter motor, we will leave waiting the right put for the motor. So far we don't miss road. We'll keep this one aside and let's go for what is inside. I think they have other one again. What could this be? I think is a piece like those pistol that comes with a smoothie machine as well. Maybe to press anything you are blending. I think that is it. We have a lot of things. Can you see? This is so big. So this is the cover. We'll unbox everything. I will just couple it for a test. I think I will drop the carton here, like dropping it on top of my table so that I can show you guys very well. So this is the cup. This is the cup. This is very big. Oh my god, I don't know this, but I think we are going to go through the manual and see how to use this, like maybe for fruits like smoothie or juice. I think so. This is the makeup. This is so huge, like and this read out the manual and see. So but they put example here. Let me show you guys the example. This is the examples of it. Although I have not used this kind of blender before, I'm going to learn how to use it. All the function is here. I think it's like this. So we are going to learn how to use it anyway. This is the machine. The May blender. So, oh my god, can you see this? This is so beautiful. So guys, I decided to change location because there was too much noise there and baby was crying. She's at my back right now. So let's finish it here in the kitchen. Let me show you. This is the high speed. This is the high speed. The sweetest part of it is that when I asked them like what can this blender just blend for me, like grind for me, they told me even ghiaccio in Italy means block. Oh my god, can you see how strong this blender is? There is no other thing that could be stronger than a block. Oh my god, see, this is it. You can see where they put it. If you want to grind something strong, like if you have something strong you want to blend, you can use this one. This is ghiaccio block. So let's fix it. The carton is empty. You can see this is the machine, and this is here. You are going to fix this one here. I just fix it here. That thing I hold, I just fix it here, and I'm going to plug it. That is the first set is like this. So what I will do now, I will remove this one. You see this? I will remove it, and I'm going to drop the cup. I will take this one, fix it inside here. Eccolo. You see this? So you will also leave it. This is, I think this is for fruits. Can you see? This is for fruit. Then I will remove this. This is it. I will keep it aside. Then if you want to use this one, this is a filter. You are going to put it inside here. Can you see this? Then when you are blending anything, this one is very useful. It's for you to be pressing it. Even when you are using the cup, you can also use this. Then you will cover it. And after blending, don't remove this, because all the juice is going to be inside the cup, while all the chaff will be inside the filter. Then you will just filter it out. Like this is already made for Ladyzion. Oh my god, this is so good. So if you are still looking for a better blender, go and get yours now. Go and get yours. I love it. So I think this is going to be the end of this video. That is how I can explain it. I know I'm going to enjoy this blender. And thank you for staying tuned to this video, and thanks for watching. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, before going out, remember to give the video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Make sure you put on the notification bell button so that you not miss any of my video. And you are free to share this video amongst your friends and family. Like the video. So guys, yes, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. I remain Ladyzionsweethome. Bye for now.